Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to make this beautiful and very nice baby blanket pattern. This pattern is made by 4 rows. It's so simple and it's suitable for many projects. I made that with Alize Baby Best yarn and 3.5 millimeters hook. If you're ready, let's get started. I start the work with a slip knot and then start chaining. The number of chains in this pattern should be a multiple of 12 plus 5. I made 41 chains totally. Now skip first 4 chains, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and make 3 treble crochet into 5th chain. Okay, yarn over twice, insert hook into this chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2 and pull through 2. One more time, yarn over twice, insert hook into same chain and make 1 treble crochet, and again yarn over twice, insert hook into same chain and make 1 treble crochet. Okay, after that make 1 chain and skip next 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and make 1 single crochet into next chain. Okay, again make a chain and skip next 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and go to this chain and make 3 treble crochet, 1, 2, and 3. Make 3 chains and make 3 treble crochet into same chain again. Yarn over twice, insert hook into same chain and make 1 treble crochet. And again, one more time. And repeat that for last time. I made 3 treble crochet and 3 chain, and again 3 treble crochet into same chain. After that make a chain and skip next 5 chains again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and make 1 single crochet into the next. Make a chain, skip next 5 3 chains and make 3 treble crochet, 3 chain and 3 treble crochet into this chain, such as this part. And then we have to repeat this sequence. After each single crochet, make a chain, skip next 5 chains and make this part into the next chain, 3 treble, 3 chain and 3 treble into same chain. Again make a chain, skip next 5 chain and 1 single crochet into the next, and continue until the end of the row. Now I'm at the end of row 1, and after last single crochet make a chain and skip next 5 chains and make 4 treble crochet into last chain. Okay, yarn over twice, insert hook into last chain and make 1 treble crochet. And again repeat that 3 more times. 1, 2, and 3. Row 1 is finished. Now for next row, row 2, make a chain and turn the work and make 1 single crochet into first stitch. Make 5 chains, 3, 4 and 5, and then make 1 incomplete front post treble crochet around each of these 3 stitches and these 3 stitches. Okay, yarn over twice, insert the hook from front to back around first treble crochet, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 and pull through 2. Don't complete that. Again, yarn over twice, insert the hook around next treble crochet, yarn over, pull up a loop, pull through 2 and pull through 2. One more time, yarn over twice, insert the hook around next treble crochet, and 1, 2. Don't complete each front posts, okay? Then skip this single crochet at the middle and go to next 3 treble crochets and continue and repeat this work for that part. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, now I have 7 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all of them, and then make a chain. After that, make 5 chains, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and go to this chain 3 space between this group of 3 trebles and this group here, and make 1 single crochet. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, chain, and repeat this sequence. Make 1 incomplete front post treble crochet around each of next 3 treble crochets and these 3 treble crochets, and yarn over, pull through all loops, then make a chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chain, and make 1 single crochet into this chain 3 space, and continue this work until the end. Okay, at the end, make 5 chains and 1 single crochet into 4th chain of these 4 chain of beginning chains of previous row. Here, and row 2 is finished. Now start row 3 with 1 chain and turn the work and make 1 single crochet into first chain, first stitch, then make a chain and make 3 treble, 3 chain, and 3 treble here into this closing space over these 6 front posts. Okay, yarn over twice, insert hook into this space, and make 1 treble. Again, the next treble into same closing space, and the third. Then make 3 chains and repeat that. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. After that, make a chain and make 1 single crochet into this single crochet, and make a chain and repeat this sequence. Make 3 treble crochet, 3 chain, and 3 treble crochet into this closing space here, and then make a chain and make 1 single crochet into next single crochet. Repeat until the end. Now, after last chain 1, skip this chain 5 and make 1 single crochet into last single crochet, and row 3 is finished. Now start row 4 with 1, 2, 3, and 4 chains and turn the work, and then make 1 incomplete front post treble crochet around each of these 3 treble crochet only. Okay, yarn over twice and make 1 incomplete. Don't complete this front post. Again, 1 and 2, and for last stitch make a incomplete front post treble. Now I have 4 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all of them. Then make 5 chains, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and make 1 single crochet into this chain 3 space. And again 5 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, now we have to repeat this part into row 2 here. Make 1 incomplete front post treble crochet around each of these 3 stitch and next 3 stitch, and then collect them together. Now yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook and make a chain. Then make 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and make 1 single crochet into next chain 3 space, and repeat this sequence until the end of the row. Now at the end I have 3 treble crochet after these 5 chains. Make 1 front post treble crochet around each of them, but don't complete that. 1, 2, and 3. And then yarn over, pull through all loops, make a chain. And now make 1 treble crochet into last stitch of previous row, that's a single crochet here. And row 4 is finished. Now we have to repeat row 1. So make 1, 2, 3, and 4 chain and turn the work. And now make 3 treble crochet into this closing space over these 3 front posts. Yarn over twice, insert hook into this space, and make 1 treble crochet. Again, yarn over twice, insert hook into same space, make another treble, and repeat that for last time. Okay, after that make a chain and make 1 single crochet into the single crochet after these 5 chains. Again make a chain and make 3 treble crochet, 3 chain, and 3 treble crochet into this closing space over these front posts. And then make 1 chain and make 1 single crochet into next single crochet. And continue this work and repeat this sequence until the end. Now at the end, after this chain 1, make 3 treble crochet into this closing space here over these 3 front posts. 1, 2, and 3. And then make 1 treble crochet into 4th chain of this turning chain of previous row. Okay, and now row 5 is finished, and turn the work. This is the right side of the pattern. We have to repeat row 2, 3, 4, and 5. These 4 rows from row 2 to row 5 should be repeated several times until the height of this pattern reach the desired size. Okay, I repeated those 4 rows, and you can see this beautiful pattern with these flowers on it. This is the front view of the pattern, and this is the back view. I hope this video will be useful for you. If you like that, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.